In a shared nothing architecture, every node in the cluster has ownership of some data. And that ownership means that you have to make sure that node stays up by all means possible. However, there are a number of components within each node which are not protected well, that are CPU, memory, the operating system, all of the various controllers that exist within it. All of those things are not protected. If you have a CPU error or if you have even a single memory error, it can take an entire server down. And with taking that server down goes with it all of the storage that was attached to it. And because of that, what we've found is that there's a lot of risk to having a shared nothing architecture because there's all these different things that can fail. Even things that you wouldn't think about failing can fail, and that whole server is going to go away. And the side effect of it going away is that now all of a sudden you have all of this data that server was owning, and that ownership means that you have to do something to make sure that data is still accessible. Now obviously, shared nothing architectures protect against node failure, but the side effect of that is that they must rebuild that data in order to bring the system back to full protection. And so if a single server fails for any reason, and you, the customer, or anyone is in a window of risk, you can make the choice to initiate a rebuild of that data. But when we're talking about potentially hundreds of terabytes of data sitting behind a single node, that can take days, weeks, I've even heard months from customers. And during that period of time, there is a significant performance degradation.